Developing new products has never been easy. And the race to make them lighter, stronger, faster, and increase performance has upped the ante even more. Whether it's new polymers, hybrid alloys, or nanoparticle inks, innovation is happening at breakneck speed, and the results are impressive. Yet new materials bring new challenges. Even with rigorous testing of components, durability, and tensile strength, adhesion failures still occur, and sometimes aren't apparent until after a product has gone to market, with devastating effect on a trusted brand. So, what's going wrong? You've completed predictive modeling and tested every stage of the manufacturing process. You've covered all the bases, but the simple truth is that the answer is not in the material you selected. It's in the surfaces you've created. In fact, over 90% of bonding failures are due to the lack of surface readiness, making it the most critical factor in achieving a secure bond. Adhesion failure can be traced to many issues, from specs to handling and cleaning. Often, it is simply the result of human decisions that can affect that surface, like using a new cleaning solution to save money, or changing storage locations to meet supply chain demands. The list goes on and on. At the end of the day, despite all the testing and verification you already perform, success may come down to one simple measurement taken at various points throughout your product development lifecycle: surface readiness. The reality is, you haven't been testing for surface readiness because you weren't aware of the importance of it, and you may not have been aware that you could, until now. Brighton Science has spent decades inspecting and verifying surfaces with proprietary precision tools that measure contact angle, the most reliable way to set a specification for surface readiness to coat or bond. Measuring surface readiness gives you a clear target and a clear flag for when a target isn't met. It gives teams a common language around materials, standards, and procedures, enabling them to solve existing problems, prevent future problems, and control surface readiness to improve manufacturing outcomes. Even in the most regulated, demanding, and advanced industries like medical devices, electronics, aerospace, automotive, and more. Our expertise in material science and manufacturing enables our data-driven approach to elevate surface science to surface intelligence, giving you the ability to design, develop, and manufacture breakthrough products with more certainty and confidence. Brighton Science, the global leader in surface intelligence.